On this episode, also known as R squared, P squared, and I don't do anything for that money. Create systems that work for you even when you're sleeping. It's one of the only ways to become rich. I have videos on them from years ago. Those videos are still bringing me in money each and every day. Imagine waking up, checking your bank account, and seeing more money in it than when you went to bed, and you didn't do a single thing. This probably sounds too good to be true, but it actually isn't. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make thousands of dollars each month doing literally nothing. You heard that right. I was taught when I was young that when something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. But I guarantee you that is not the case here. This is not just a gimmick, and I'm not just saying it as clickbait. I really do make thousands of dollars each month, and I don't do anything for that money. We all know that trading time for money can only get you so far because there are only so many hours in a day. So what if you create systems that work for you even when you're sleeping? That's the beauty of passive income, and I truly believe it's one of the only ways to become rich. Now, I'm not talking about selling on Amazon here or any hustle that keeps you tied to your computer. I'm talking about real, 100% hands-off income streams that I've set up. And I'm not just going to tell you about them, I'm going to show you the proof and show you exactly how I set these streams up. Trust me, you are going to want to stick around until the end because I'm going to reveal the 4 streams of passive income that keep me having money, thousands of dollars coming in month after month when I'm not even doing anything for it. I'm really not. These aren't just theories. I personally tried them. I personally do them every single month. And I'm giving you the inside scoop today on how I do it and how it keeps making me money. This is not only exciting, but it is truly life-changing. So let's get into it. But first, if you are not, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I am here each and every single week on this Profit Guru channel, coming to you with different ways that you can make money online, and I'd love to have you here each and every week with me. If you find any value at all in this video, please give me a thumbs up and let me know down below which form of passive income you are most excited to start doing today. Let's jump into the first stream. Affiliate marketing. This is where I promote brands or products, and if someone makes a purchase through my unique link, I earn a commission. The best part, I don't even have active subscriptions to some of the tools that I'm promoting, such as Seller Amp and Tactical Arbitrage, yet I have videos on them from years ago, and those videos are still bringing me in money each and every day. Basically, every single brand and business has affiliate programs. They're going to pay you to help increase their customer base. And you can use any social platform to promote those links, such as Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and even blogging. Once you create content with your affiliate links, that content lives on forever, working for you day in, day out, hour after hour, second after second, while you're doing nothing. This is definitely one of the easiest ways to start generating passive income online. But you do need to make sure that it makes sense for your audience. If you're just posting random links all over the place, all over your different social medias, and they're about food, and then they're about makeup, and they're just spread everywhere, that's not bringing value to anybody, and they're probably not going to want to just click it for no reason. Instead, something that you can do is think about your interests and what you're good at. For me, I sell on Amazon, so I'm always using different software to help me to find products. And then, as you probably know, I share on my channel here how people can use these different software and tools to find products for themselves. So after I show people how to use the software, if they want to try it for themselves, then they click my unique link and I get a certain percentage of a sale when they sign up. You can see here that Tactical Arbitrage and Seller Amp send me a lot of money each month to promote their software, even though I don't use their software anymore and I haven't since, gosh, I don't even know when. The only software that I use and promote is the ProfitGuru software, yet I'm still getting paid by Seller Amp and Tactical Arbitrage for doing nothing. It's a beautiful thing. Next up, we have digital products. This is probably one of my favorites because you only need to create the product once. It continues to sell day after day, month after month. And I use platforms like Teachers Pay Teachers, also known as TPT, Etsy, and Gumroad. On Etsy, I create different cards that people can download, such as birthday invitations. On Teachers Pay Teachers, I'm a teacher, so I create different worksheets and bundles that other teachers can purchase for a really cheap price, print out, and use with their students. guidance. And on Gumroad, I have content for Amazon that people can purchase from me. Just now, as I'm filming this, my phone just went off and I made a sale on a product for Teachers Pay Teachers, and I just made 60 cents. Is it a fortune? No, but it adds up throughout the day. And there are definitely strategies here to increase your sales, such as for me, I like to use Instagram and Pinterest to drive traffic over to my TPT store by pinning products. So I'll create a worksheet and then I will upload this onto Pinterest, and there will be a link there that will bring people who are on Pinterest perusing for this type of worksheet. They'll find my worksheet, click it, and then it will bring them into my TPT store. It's a simple strategy that works without me having to lift a finger after it's set up. Stream number 3 is the Amazon Influencer Program. Now, this is super easy to get approved. All you have to do is submit 3 short review videos of products around your house. Literally anything that you have around your house that's also on Amazon being sold, create a review video. And to get an idea of how to do this the right way, what to include in that review video, it's a good idea to go to Amazon and watch some review videos. See what they're already doing, see what's working. All that I do is I upload a quick video of myself using the product, and then when someone watches my review video and then buys the product, I make money off of that for influencing their purchase. When I first signed up for the influencer program, every single day I was looking around the house and I was making super short videos on these products. And it's something that I haven't done in a while. I really haven't made many videos since last year, but it's still bringing me in money. So that's something that's on my bucket list, to keep making them. Even if I'm only making a few a day, they live on forever. They're so easy to make, and you can literally use anything around the house that you have. This is definitely one of the easiest ways to make money. Finally, let's talk about the most powerful stream, YouTube. Once I put in the time to create a video and publish it, yeah, it took me hours to do, but then I can just sit back while it continues to generate passive income through ad revenue for years and years and years. But here's the thing, you won't make money right off the bat. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time in a year to qualify. But once you get there, it can truly snowball. Plus, YouTube can open doors to partnerships and sponsorships down the line. Remember, building passive income isn't about quick riches. It's about setting up systems that work for you while you're not even working. These are just 4 of the passive income streams that I personally use, and I can tell you firsthand, once you see it working, it becomes addicting. So start small, choose one of these strategies and put the time into building it. You'll be surprised how life-changing it can be. Let me know down below which one you are going to try out first. And be sure to come back and let me know about your successes. I love rooting you on and cheering for you, and I love to hear those victories. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I absolutely love finding new ways to make money online, and I equally love sharing these methods with you all. Don't forget to click the bell icon so that you don't miss out on my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.